Okay, so this right here, don't forget to reduce. It's 4.5 in terms of hours and minutes. That means 4 hours, 30 minutes. Number 4 right here, you have Thomas. He's decided to rent a car. Well, the car rental covers him for 54 miles, but he drove too far. He got lost. And so with the detour and everything, he drove 69. So how many miles extra did he drive? Yeah. 15. So you have to subtract that. And for each of the miles extra, you would have to pay 1 and 4/5 of a dollar. What is this in terms of dollar value? 1 and 4/5. 1 and 4/5. What's that in terms of dollar value? Yep, George? Okay, Maria? It is $1.80. Good. 4/5 is just 4 divided by 5, so you get 0.8. So for every extra mile, it's $1.80 extra. So 15 times $1.80, you get $27 extra that you have to pay for. Okay. And then Thomas, because he doesn't go on vacation much, he's thinking about his luggage space already. So each souvenir is going to take up 1/15 of his suitcase. He bought 6 of those. So you have to times these two, right, like this, and then you subtract it from his 2 suitcase. So 6 times 1/15, you just multiply the top, so you get 6/15. Subtract it from 2 whole. So 2 whole is the same as 30/15. So when you subtract, you get 24/15 or 1 and 9/15. Right? And then the last question here. This one was a little tricky because some people know, some people don't know the speed formula. To calculate speed, you have to do distance divided by time. On the test, if I do ask a question like this, you can ask me and I'll tell you the formula. Okay. So speed is distance divided by time. Distance 328. How the time it took, the time it takes for the train ride go back, 5 hours and 5 and 1/8. So 328 divided by that. Change this to an improper fraction. Since I'm dividing, I'm multiplying the flip. So keep, change, and flip. So 328 times 8 divided by 41, you get 64. How many of you wrote a unit down for this question? Okay, and Logan, what's your unit? What's the final answer unit? Yeah, yeah. Miles per hour. Good job. How do I know it's miles per hour? Because the distance was in miles and the time was in hours. So since it's a speed, it's not just miles, it's not just hours, miles per hour for speed. Okay. For homework tonight, do the backside, the 6 word problems. You'll see these type of questions on the test tomorrow. It's part of the full solution part B. To help you guys, it's also on Brightspace. So the answers are posted on Brightspace. So if you go to content, our homepage, content, chapter 1, and then right here, chapter 1 word problems. Chapter 1 word problems right here. And you scroll down to page 3 and page 6, you'll see the answers. So
what about the back page? What do we do there? Is that the homework?
Yeah, practice. Okay, so answers are right here on page 6. Okay, chapter 1 word problems. So I do have extra questions here as well if you want the extra practice, or better yet, go over your notes. You did a lot of questions already. Now it's time to take a step back, just review your answers, review the questions, and then see what you understand and don't understand. Okay, bring your Chromebooks tomorrow. Make sure it's charged. One last thing, videos. If you go to links, it will bring you to my YouTube page, and this is the playlist for chapter 1, so you can see all the lessons. So review there, chapter 1, review 1, chapter 1, review 2. Okay?